Standard 1, Class 8. This is Rashid Khan, your science teacher from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. That is Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. And here for Class 8, the topic is metamorphosis. Metamorphosis. What do you mean by metamorphosis? What is the term used for? In case we can say, in case of frog, when the drastic changes, or you can say the simultaneously changes occur into its body and it will get developed earlier within a very short period of time, that changes or that process said to be the metamorphosis. Or in one word we can say the process of transition. The process of transition period. The process of transition period from an immature form like larva, immature form like larva to an adult. This is what? This is the process of transition period from an immature form like larva to an adult. Larva into an adult is called metamorphosis. Or in another word we can say the transition of the process of changes of the process of a drastic changes from immature larva to adult, that one is also called as metamorphosis. In case of a metamorphosis, there is a simultaneous or very drastic changes occur in case of the frog, like larva will get changes into the tadpole and then tadpole is converted into the adult. It will take not more time, it will happens in a very short period of a time. That one is called as a metamorphosis. Or we can say when there is a full body developed within a very short period of a time, within a drastic moment, that one is called as a metamorphosis. Next one is asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means what? Asexual. That means absence of sexual organ. It is the process when the reproduction takes place without combining without involving the male and the female parents. It can be only happens or developed with the single parent. That one is called as the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction only involves a single parent through which the offspring get developed, produce a new individual without an pair of individuals. Or you can say there is no requirement for the combination of a male and a female gametes. The new offspring formed are produced by a single parent. That one is called as the asexual reproduction. There is no requirement of formation of a male and a female gamete. There is no zygote is formed, and hence the new organism produced. The offspring is exactly as the same as their parents. So such type of different asexual reproduction takes place in a different form. First one is budding. First term is budding. So what does the budding means? In case of a hydra, the budding takes place. First of all, in case the hydra produces bulges on its bottom, these bulges are just grow, these bulges are buds which is grown into the individual, and after being mature, this individual gets detached from the parent's body and form the new individual or offspring or new bodies. So that one is the process. That process is called as a budding. How it happens? Under the normal condition, when the body of the hydra develops into a new or two bulges, one or two bulges at the bottom level and in the form of buds. These buds rarely simultaneously slowly get developed, and hence after maturing it will be detached from the body of hydra. How it happens? You can see here. Again it will be detached. You can see that is this one. So here we can say this is the adult hydra, body name hydra. First of all, here is, you can see the one and two bulges are there. One, two. Then these bulges are separated out. This can be separated out and get detached from its parental body and growth into the new individual. You can see the bulges which develops into the buds, and when the buds is growth and developed are matured, then it can be detached from the parents one and get developed into the new individual as you saw, and through which it can be exact copy of their parents, and by which they are shown in that form of a single parent. They can be formed by the single parent. So these are the type of asexual reproduction, and they are exact copy of their own, and hence this is a type of a process of a budding. Through the budding, the new individual is germinated without involving the male and female gametes, without having presence of male and female gametes. If it is get developed, this one is called as a asexual type of a reproduction. So this means the asexual reproduction you can see in the case of a hydra. Now the budding is completed. Next one is binary fission. Next process of asexual is called binary fission. This is another process of asexual reproduction in which the asexual reproduction in which the binary fission takes place. In case of a amoeba, you can say amoeba. In case of a amoeba, when this amoeba get form, so when the amoeba having its structure, when it allows to get divided or developed into the new individual, the first nucleus now this, the nucleus gets flattened, or right with the nucleus flattened takes place. This nucleus is changed in its length is. This get changed into length. First of all, then hence this will get length. This will increase its length again in the case of the nucleus. This one is what? Nucleus. And nucleus get changes. And again, there is a cleavage form. There is a cleavage form in case of cleavage form, and here is two nucleus. You can see the two nucleus around it. And after the passed of the time, this will have to be after being of the passed of the time, this will be converted into new individual in the form of this will get changes into the individual, and again this one bond change into another form of they are the form of will get converted this is the two individuals without involving the sexual organ or any other organ. This will be converted into two individuals, and then the two equal same type of individual you can observe in their cases, and both are the same. So this is all about that binary fission. Cytoplasm, firstly the nucleus get dented, then the cytoplasm divided into two halves. These cytoplasm will detach from one another by forming a cleavage or constructions in between them, and this will divide into the new particular two type of individual amoeba. So this one is the binary